Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's Son of a Gun Gourmet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make gourmet mayonnaise, and I'm going to take that mayo and turn it into a delicious lemon and dill aioli. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and let's start cooking. You're going to need an egg, sunflower oil, rice wine vinegar, mustard, a lemon, and olive oil. Start by quartering and de-seeding your lemon. Separate the egg and put the yolk into the mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and whisk them together. Measure out 1 cup of sunflower oil. Wrap a damp cloth around the base of the mixing bowl so it doesn't move around as much while you're whisking. Pour the oil in a slow, steady stream while whisking to emulsify the oil with the egg and mustard. Take breaks from pouring to make sure the oil mixes in properly. By the end, it should be quite thick. Once you've added all the oil, whisk in the juice from 1/4 of the lemon. Next, mix in 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar and season with salt. To finish off, drizzle in about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to really round out the flavor. Mayonnaise is a very important and versatile base sauce in a chef's repertoire. It can be used to make all types of different sauces, like tartar sauce, salad dressings, and like I'm going to show you right now, aioli. For this recipe, you'll need a couple sprigs of dill, 1/4 of a lemon, and 1 clove of garlic. Peel the garlic and with a rasp, mince the garlic directly into the bowl. Pick the dill off the stem and finely chop it. De-seed the quarter lemon and then squeeze the juice in with the rest of the ingredients. Re-season to taste with salt and then whisk all the ingredients together. Now you've transformed your homemade mayo into a fantastic lemon dill aioli, perfect to serve with fish croquettes. I hope you've all enjoyed the video. Remember to hit like and subscribe and keep on cooking.